In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a dynamic discount code Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Content. Click Content and then select Coupons. This is the area where Klaviyo manages coupon codes that can be inserted into your messages so each customer can receive a unique code when needed. Once you are on the Coupons page, look to the top right corner of the screen for the button that says Create Uploaded Coupon. Click that button to start setting up a new coupon set. Now you will be asked to enter a coupon name. This name is mainly for your internal organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it something like a seasonal discount or a percentage off offer. A helpful tip is to use a naming style that matches your campaign, so it is easy to search and identify in your account when you have many promotions running. Next, set the minimum coupon count. This controls how many unique coupon codes are available in the set. Set this high enough to cover the number of people you expect to receive the offer, plus a little extra for safety. If your list grows or your campaign performs well, having additional codes available helps prevent issues where someone cannot receive a code because the set runs out. After that, set the expiration for the coupon. Klaviyo gives you options, such as expiring after 1 year or expiring on a specific date. Choose the option that best matches your promotion timeline. If you are running a limited time sale, a specific date is usually best. If it is a longer-term offer, an expiration after 1 year can make sense. Either way, adding an expiration helps keep promotions clean and prevents outdated discounts from being used later. When everything looks correct, click Create Coupon to finalize it. Klaviyo will create the coupon set based on your settings. At this point, your coupon is ready, and you can now share it in your campaigns or flows as needed. That covers everything you need to know.